Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdraw number 3 from this light and stable platform for mining TRX everyone. ERETRX. If you want to register on this new platform and long-term platform, put your username here and your email here and your password here and click sync up. If you have account in this platform, directly click login like we see. I have account in this platform everyone. I will put your username here and the password and click login waiting me. Like we see everyone, this is my account in this light platform and my active deposit 5,000 TRX everyone, and I have in commission team 1,000 TRX. My VIP 2 and my number team this. If you want to contact with the customer server, click this. If you have any problem, and if you want to deposit from here, and if you want to withdraw from here, and if you want to invite your friends from here. Like we see, this is my team in this platform. Copy this and go and invite your team to join to this platform everyone. If you want to deposit from here, click deposit like we see. Copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance Wallet and send the money to this address. After you send the money to this address, put your username here and the amount you will send it and your address wallet you send the money from it and click submit. The money will arrive to your account in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. If the money don't arrive, click there and contact with customer server to solve the problem directly. I will go to withdraw now from here. When you want to withdraw, you can withdraw from basic and commission team. Like with my daily 200 TRX. I will show you VIP in this platform. Click this. Like we see, this is VIP in this platform. Minimum deposit 50 TRX and minimum withdraw 1 TRX. If you deposit from this to this number, will daily withdraw 2% everyone. And if you deposit from this number to this number, daily withdraw 4%. And if you deposit from this number to this number, will daily withdraw 5%. And there are VIP 6 with daily 8% everyone. Like we see commission team, if you invite your friends to deposit level 1, level 2, level 3. I will go to withdraw now. I click withdraw. I will my basic 200 TRX. I'll put my username here and the amount I will withdraw it and my address wallet and click submit. Waiting me. Like we see everyone, I choose commission money and I put my username here and the amount and my address wallet there. I will click submit now. Like we see, the withdrawal successful. I will click done and I will waiting the withdrawal. The withdrawal will arrive in 2 minutes or 10 minutes everyone. I will waiting and show you. Like we see everyone, this is my withdrawal today and the withdrawal arrived directly to my wallet. I will go to my wallet and show you. See everyone, the amount, time and the amount and the time here. In 1 second or 2 minutes, the withdrawal will arrive to your wallet directly everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms and long term like Usdt or TRX, and you will see link register in the description of the video and the group for anything and my account in Telegram to any question I can help you to deposit and start earn more money with me. It is long term platform everyone. Good luck everyone.